Today we are discussing about area of a trapezium. What is meant by trapezium? The two sides are parallel. Here these two I marked an arrow. These two sides are parallel and another two are non-parallel side. This is the trapezium. You are going to find the area of a trapezium. Thus A and B are two parallel sides. H is the distance between the two parallel sides. Area of a trapezium is height into sum of parallel side divided by 2. Sum of the parallel side means A plus B by 2 that we are taking here. Half into H into A plus B will be the area of a parallelogram where H is the distance between two parallel sides and A and B are the two parallel sides. For example, here you want to find area of this trapezium. So area is equal to, you know that half into H into A plus B, that is half into, here H is the distance between these two parallel sides, that is equal to 3, and 9 plus 7, that will be A and B. 9 plus 7, that is half into 3 into 9 plus 7 means 16. Then we can cut this 8. Then 24 centimeters square will be the area of that trapezium. Next we are discussing about the area of a general quadrilateral. Now special names are given, trapezium or rhombus, nothing is given. One general quadrilateral four-sided figure is given. How we can find this area? Normally the quadrilateral we are dividing for that diagonal, we are dividing that into two triangles. Triangle's area you know that half into B into H. Then this will be, D is the length of the diagonal, half into D into H1 plus H2. So if you don't know the special name of that quadrilateral, we will divide that in the form of the triangle and we will find out the area of each triangle I am adding. Then in the first triangle you know that half into B into H, that is half into D into H1 plus this will be again the same base, half into D into H2. Then half D we are taking common, half D into H1 plus H2 will be the area of a general quadrilateral. For example, the diagonal's length is given 5.5 and H1 is given 2.5. This is given 2.5. H2 is given 1.5. H2 is equal to 1.5. You want to find the area of this quadrilateral. Then you already know that half into D into H1 plus H2. Then we can substitute the values. Half into 5.5 into H1 means 2.5 plus 1.5. 2.5 plus 1.5 we can add 4. Then half into 5.5 into 4. Then we can cut this to 11 centimeters square will be the area of this general quadrilateral. Next we are finding the area of a rhombus. Rhombus means you know that all the sides are equal and diagonals are unequal. That will be the rhombus. Its formula is half into D1 into D2, where D1 and D2 are the length of the diagonals. Then find the area of a rhombus whose diagonals are of length 10 cm and 8.2 cm. First we can write area of a rhombus is equal to half into D1 into D2, that is equal to half into 10 into 8.2, we can cut this 5, then 8.2 into 5, 41. 41 centimeters square will be the area of this rhombus. Next, we are finding area of a polygon. Generally, no special quadrilateral not saying, we are saying a polygon. This is I have drawn 5-sided, that is a pentagon. We not at all knowing any direct formula for finding the area of a pentagon. So we are changing that shape into our non-shapes. So we are joining AC and AD. We are getting triangles 1, 2, 3. We are adding triangles area, you know that half into base into height. So height, if you know that AC length also half into AC into H1 will be the area of the first triangle, like that second also third. If you are adding, you will get the area of that pentagon. All that triangles area, if you are adding, you will get area of this pentagon. This is also another shape. Thus, we want to find the area of this shape. Then, by drawing this into two shapes, each one will be in the shape of a trapezium. Trapezium, first one trapezium, this is the second trapezium. Each trapezium area you can find out. Those two are the parallel side length A and B. If H is also given, half H into A plus B, you will get area of the first part. Then we will find the area of the second part, this also in the shape of a trapezium. Then we will add these two, you will get area of the trapezium field. We will get the area of this pentagon. This is also five-sided figure. Otherwise, we can draw a line here. Then you will get a triangle and a rectangle. Or if you are making this will be the area of a triangle and a square. Adding these two, you will get area of the shape. So, the unknown figures if you are getting, you will draw lines and making the known shapes, and then we will add that shapes area, you will get the area of that polygon. Area of a trapezium shaped field is 480 meters square. Distance between two parallel sides is 15 meter and one of the parallel sides is 20 meter. Find the other parallel side. Area is given. Area is equal to 480 and distance between two parallel sides means H is equal to 15 meter and one of the parallel sides is 20 meter. So A is equal to 20 meter and B you want to find out. B value you want to find out. Then area of a trapezium half H into A plus B. Then half into H means 15 into A plus B. A is equal to 20. B you don't know, that is equal to 480. Then 15 into 20 plus B is equal to 480 into 2. We are taking this to the. Then 20 plus B is equal to 480 into 2 divided by 15. Okay, we can make this small and we can divide. 960. 960 divided by 15. You got this. 20 plus B is equal to 64. 20 plus B is equal to 64. So B is equal to 64 minus 20, that is equal to 44 meter will be the length of the other parallel side, or B is equal to 44 meter. Next one, the area of a rhombus is 240 centimeters square. Area of a rhombus is equal to 240 centimeters square. You know the formula, half into D1 into D2 is equal to 240. Then one of the diagonal length is 16. So D1 is equal to D1 is equal to 16 centimeter. Length of the other diagonal you want to find out. That is half into 16 into D2 is equal to 240. We can cut this. 8 D2 is equal to 240. So D2 is equal to 240 divided by 8. 30. 3 times. 30 centimeter will be the length of the other diagonal. Okay children, we can meet on the next class. Thank you.